All right, let's go. Hello, everybody. Coach Ronnie Mac here, owner of the Shops and Salons Network, the Hair Art Network, and the new Mobile Salon Network. We have another video presentation of a Mobile Salon Bus to Brianna and Shirley with the company Beauty to the Streets Mobile Salon. All right, this is going to be under contract number 292087, and the bus unit number is going to be 14305. Thank you guys, and congratulations. What's happening? This is Ronnie Mac. I am at the fourth location off of 80. If you can, we got the bus in that's assigned to you, number 14305. If you could sign off on that invoice. Everything is done on the inside and checked out. They went ahead and put all of the new stuff in that you requested, so it's all ready to go to Andre for designing and getting finished up. So if you could finish signing off on this vehicle for me, I appreciate it. Then we get it to Andre, get it finished out, and be on the road. All right, thanks a lot. See you soon.